Sicily lovers! Greetings from Modica. We are having great time, a funny time. We are enjoying a Fiat 500 ride here in this beautiful Baroque town, and it's the best way to enjoy the town and to go through all the narrow streets here in Modica. And we are with a group of 15 Canadians, and they are having fun. Look at this beautiful view of the town, and if you want to enjoy this experience, just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Join our Sicily Lovers Tour next year, or just a private tour of Sicily, a custom private tour of Sicily, and ask us to plan this experience for you. Let's see! Over there you can see all the Fiat 500! Ciao! How much fun! And it's time to get off and take some picture. Here we have Eleonora and Massimo. Say hello, we are live, say hello.
Ciao a tutti.
And they are having great time here in Modica, the beautiful Baroque town of Modica. Wow, look at my hair, too windy.
Ciao.
Mr. Pinelli, the perfect driver, so let's go this way. And the true challenge of the day is to fit inside the Fiat 500 after a good lunch, no? Because this experience is in this case is after lunch, so it's hard to fit inside, but we did. Look at this.
Here we go. Is everybody here? We can go and discover the church.
The best and the funniest way to discover Modica is on board of Fiat 500. So join our tour of Sicily. Just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and enjoy a special day like this. Today we are combining the Fiat 500 and the chocolate here in Modica. So imagine this day, chocolate and the Fiat 500. Unbelievable, guys. bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Salutate!
Hey!
Salutiamo le mie.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers!